Trust me, you don't need any foundation or concealer to achieve this makeup look. Hey guys, I hope you all are safe and doing well. I know it's been a while, but today I'm gonna do a very simple, natural looking, everyday sort of summer makeup look. But also today I just felt like talking to you guys cause it's been a while and I just wanted to talk, like real talk. Now these are few things that I've learned the hardest way and I just wanted to share it with you as your friend or your sister, or if you are a teenager, these are the things I wish I knew earlier, but thanks to life that I have learned the hardest way. Starting off with this skin prep cause I don't have anything on my face right now, so I'm going to start off with this toner. This is the I Am From Rice toner. This is a very hydrating, moisturizing, milky toner. This is perfect if you have dry skin, but still I have oily skin, but I enjoy this a lot. I hope you have heard that song कुछ तो लोग कहेंगे लोगों का काम है कहना, and that's so fucking true. No matter what you do, you can't make everybody happy. By the way, this is the moisturizer I'm using from Beauty of Joseon and I am just using a very small amount क्योंकि summer में ना sweating बहुत ज़्यादा होता है. So you want your skin to be hydrated and moisturized, but you don't want your skin to look oily and greasy at the same time. So it's, you know, better that you use a very small quantity. And I'm just gonna let it sink into my skin for 2 minutes. So yeah, I was saying कि you are not here to please everybody and कोई ना कोई तो आपसे disappoint होगा ही. So stop trying and do whatever you are doing. Cause at the end of the day, you are with yourself and none of this matters at all. Now these are the two sunscreens I've been obsessing over lately. This is the tinted one and this is the non-tinted one. Today I'm going to use this one, but also I will show you the texture of this one, how lightweight this one is. You don't have to use both the sunscreens, but look at the texture. It's so lightweight and comfortable. Sometimes I even skip my moisturizer whenever I'm using a sunscreen like this. Okay, the next thing is people will try to take advantage of you as long as you let them. If you are kind, available and understanding, they will keep pushing your boundaries. But the moment they realize that you are not in their control, you are not that moldable, their behavior will change. And that shift tells you everything you need to know about them. I also have noticed something else over time, that the way people treat you depends a lot on what you have. There was a time when I didn't have any money, I didn't have any followers and I was just not visible. And people treated me very differently. And now when things are better, when people know me, the same people act nicer, more interested and more supportive, and sometimes it also surprises me, but now I feel I have understood the pattern. And that's when you realize that not everyone is for you. Another lesson, not everybody who pretends to support you actually supports you. Some people watch you, wait for you to mess up and actually hope that you fail. It sounds harsh, but once you see it, you can't unsee it. And earlier I was so stupid, I used to take it personally, but now when you ask me, I just observe. No reaction, no explanation. Cause I have learned that not every battle deserves your energy. So I decide to ignore. Wow, look at the finish. I've been loving this blush lately. Now what I'm gonna tell you is a little difficult to understand, but listen to me carefully, okay? Access to you is a privilege. समझ में नहीं आया, right? I also didn't understand it before. All I'm trying to say is don't make yourself available for everyone. I used to be that person. I was always available mentally, physically, economically. Now I know just because you can be there for everyone doesn't mean you should. By the way, I'm using the Goof Proof eyebrow pencil and the biggest shift has been for me is this. I stopped trying to make people understand me. Instead, I started learning how to understand people. Just follow their patterns, how they behave in front of you, how they behave behind your back. At first, you might find it a little difficult how to understand people, but it's not that difficult, trust me. So I'm gonna set my eyelid with a loose powder so that it doesn't crease. Now I'm just gonna set my brows with the brow gel, and a lot of people think that I don't know, I can't understand their patterns, but trust me, I do. I just observe everything. I recently got this eyelash color from Praush and look at it. It's so cute. For mascara, I'm using the Stila Magnum mascara. This mascara is insane. And lastly, I just wanted to mention that don't let everybody know how much you earn, because not everyone wants to see you grow. Some people are really okay with you as long as you are not doing better than them. And once you start doing better than them, you're improving, you're earning more than them, their behavior will change instantly. The moment people know that you have money, or if you earn a lot, or if you don't have money, if you have money, they will come and ask for help. And if you don't help them, it doesn't mean if you have money you have to help everybody, right? So if you don't help them, you have made an instant enemy, and if you help them, they will forget that you helped them anyway. Guys, this is my current favorite combo and I've been loving it. This is perfect for everyday use. Now if you don't want to invest that much of money in BeneTint, I do have a dupe for you. This is from e.l.f. You can also try this one. I also use this a lot, but this one is my all-time favorite. Now let me tell you the logic behind this. The moment you are not helping them, you are already a bad person to them. इसके पास था लेकिन इसने मुझे हेल्प नहीं किया. And if you don't have money, then you are of no use. They will ignore you anyway. Sad but true. Now sometimes what I do is I take a little bit of this balm and apply it on my cheeks just to add a little glow. Don't forget to set it with a setting spray, okay? Just be careful with your hair. So yeah, I hope you find this video helpful in any way. I just wanted to tell you that remember, silence is very powerful. I've seen that sometimes the strongest move is to observe, witness and move on. You don't have to react to everything. You don't have to prove your point to everyone. Just understand that this situation or this person doesn't deserve my energy, and just move on. Not everybody deserves to know the real you, okay? Let them think what they think you are. And honestly, I'm very grateful for everything, even the fake people, the hardest times of my life. I have learned a lot of things the hardest way. I wish it was a little easier, but honestly, I have no regrets at all. Everybody has their own struggles, but I don't have to explain it to everybody, right? Now, when it comes to me, I have come to that point of my life when I'm very careless about impressing people. I don't care what people think about me at all. I am me, and I'm just being myself 24/7, and I don't want anybody to decide for me what they think I should be. I'm so proud of me, and remember, small growth is also a growth. So just focus on your own growth. Just focus on how you can grow yourself. Just make sure that you are growing, and you are growing every single day. It can be 1%, it can be 0.5%, but grow every single day. Alright, that's a lot of talking, but I hope you relate to any of these. If you do, then definitely let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts. And also definitely let me know in the comment section below what you guys think about this particular makeup look, so that I can create more of these summer makeup looks. And that's it. I will see you soon in my next video, but till then, stay happy and stay positive. Bye.